So welcome to Daily Practice with me, Nikhil. And today we are going to do a meditation on mental noting. Let's take a moment to orient ourselves to this practice. Maybe following your breath for a few breaths. Closing your eyes if that feels comfortable. And in this meditation, we first center our attention on the sensations of the breath, where it's most prominent, where it's easiest for us to find. Just a normal, natural breath. And quietly note in, out, in, out, or rising, falling, to help support the awareness of the breath. And then if something arises that is predominant and that takes over our awareness, sensation, sound, image, emotion, thinking, see if you can make a quiet mental note or just say what that experience is in the moment without judgment, just as an act of recognition. Thinking, planning, anger, joy. If the note comes easily, you don't have to struggle to get the exact right word. It doesn't need to be elaborate. It's just an act of recognition. It is not a test in your vocabulary skills. And if there is no words you can associate right now, just say, oh, this is happening to me right now. There could be sadness, there could be happiness, there could be hearing, seeing, thinking. Gently note that experience 3 or 4 times. Hearing, hearing, hearing. And then see if you can bring your attention back to the sensations of the breath. So the mental note is very quiet. It first of all establishes spheres of awareness, which is not caught up in that experience, but is able to discern it, to recognize it. It also provides an instant feedback system for us. So is this an open-hearted, even acceptance? This is what's happening right now. Is it more like thinking with fretfulness and resentment? And if we hear that, we say it again, oh, thinking. And then we bring our attention back to the sensations of breathing. You do not need to try to take in everything. It's just those things that arise, quiet, strongly, naturally, pulling us away from the breath. We spend a few moments as though to say, oh yeah, this is what's happening right now. Thinking, thinking, thinking. Planning, planning. We are not elaborating it, we are not judging it, we are not struggling against it, nor falling into it. Just simply noting any mental constructs that takes you away from your breath, from the sensations of your breathing. There is thinking, there's anger, there's joy. Now let's come back to the breath. Is the platform for mindfulness, is the platform for learning. We can see just what's happening right now. Many things will arise and pass away. Some very pleasant, some unpleasant, some neutral. But our job is just to note them, to recognize them, to see them for what they are, and to see the truth of this very moment, and then breathe. Just breathe. And when you feel ready, you can simply open your eyes and re-engage with the rest of the world around you. So thank you for taking time out and practicing this very short mental noting exercise. This has been a daily practice live with me, Nikhil, and hope that you find this mental noting especially useful throughout your day and night. So if you like it, please leave some comments, thoughts, shares, and always come back for more of these practices right here with me on Daily Practice with Nikhil. Thank you and have a wonderful day.